All right, hello and welcome back to some more IT tech tips. And what we're going to be talking about today is Egnyte. Egnyte is our next file storage solution. What we're trying to do is move all of the divisions to one solution so we have great collaboration. You guys can share files back and forth with each other. We also have oversight to that. We'll put encryption into place. We'll put protection into place, backups along with that. So we'll be able to retrieve anything, disaster recovery. In the upcoming months, we will be pushing an Egnyte application to your computers. And I'll show you how to get that initially set up. What we're doing now, so everyone knows, what we're doing now is we are working with a professional services team to review all of your Dropbox data. We're organizing it. We're making sure that when we move it all to Egnyte, number one, that we have everything. Number two, that everybody has access to the files that they need to access. We'll be testing all of that. We're also working to make sure that you guys are able to provide links to any outside people that have access to the information so they'll be able to have access to it. We'll create some template emails for you guys so you can send out an email to your customers and let them know that the location of the data has changed. We have about 250 employees on this now. It's been a great success. We've really had no hiccups or problems with it. And we're looking forward to getting it into you guys in the upcoming weeks. So when we push this application to your computers, I'll send you an email so you know it's coming. You'll have a little icon in your taskbar like this. It says Egnyte Connect. And when you click on that, you can see I already have some drives connected. You'll click on the gear icon up here, and you'll click on the SitelogIQ one. It may say disconnected. When you click on it, what it's going to do is prompt for your SitelogIQ credentials, your SitelogIQ email address, and it'll be your SitelogIQ network password, your email password. You'll put that in. They sync. So once you map that drive, it'll do it automatically when you put your credentials in. What it's going to look like is here. You're going to have a Q drive that will have all of your Dropbox information in this Midwest folder. So as you can see on that root, we have a lot of information. You'll not see everything that I see if you don't have permission to, like accounting or HR. You're not going to see those folders. Essentially what you're going to see is CNI, East, Midwest, Public, and West. Now the key thing is this is going to be great, like I said, for collaborating with those other divisions. You can click on East. Right here's project data. So Midwest, this is where we will put your Teams folders. We will put all of the necessary Dropbox information into this. If you were saving information in a private Dropbox folder that was not saved with anyone else, you'll actually have your information put right into a private folder that you'll have access to and no one else. So this is how it looks on your computer. This syncs with the cloud. It is very, very fast. The other key thing that's much nicer than Dropbox is, I know if you guys recall, if you choose what folders to sync offline, your hard drive in your computer could get very huge. It's going to try and sync everything. This is very intelligent. It only syncs what you've accessed recently, holds that for about 30 days. So it maintains a smaller footprint on your computer, but it still has very fast sync times to open up and manipulate the data. Now there's a website version 2. I'm going to go to that right here. This is our SitelogIQ file server. This is the web address you'll need to enter. It's sitelogic.egnyte.com. Again, you log in with those same SitelogIQ credentials, your email address, your regular network password, and it looks a lot like SharePoint. This is what we're going to be taking from all these different locations. We're getting rid of file servers, Dropbox, ShareFile, SharePoint. All of that is going to come together and be right here for the whole company. So again, you can see you'll have your Midwest folder here. Now I'm going to go to the East because we already have information in here so I can show you a little bit more. One of the things you can do online is if you click on the file itself, it shows you a quick preview. But you can also click up here and say open with. You can open it with the desktop. That's kind of how it showed through File Explorer. You can also open it in Excel Online. When you open it with Excel Online, that's full collaboration. So you can have multiple people having the file open at the same time, editing at the same time, talking back and forth about it. You can see where each other's cursor is. Very good collaboration tool that you can use right there. The other thing is, I know you guys have a lot of links and sharing with outside people. Again, that becomes very easy. I'm in this employee phone list folder, and right up here I can click share, and you have two options. The first one, share the folder link. If you share this link to them, they can view the files, they can download the files. They cannot edit the files. The other option you have is to request files from others. Now at that point, all they can do is upload. They can't see what's in the folder. All they can do is upload to it. That's really great when you have somebody that wants to email something to you and it's, 100 meg. It won't go through email. You can give them a link. They can upload the files. The last one is full collaboration. Full collaboration means that they can see in, they can edit files, delete, move, whatever needs to be done. They're collaborating fully with you. For all of the existing ones that are set like that in Dropbox, we are working to make sure that we add them into Egnyte and an email will go to your customers to invite them in. In the future, for new ones, put a help desk ticket in. We can create that for you on the fly. So again, this is the online version. We have full disaster recovery of this. We're able to pull backups if need be. Again, we're going to move all of your Dropbox data. We'll make sure it's all covered. You can see you have plenty of options to use this new file storage solution. Last thing I want to say is there's also a phone app or an iPad app. It works really well. I don't think any of us really want to do Excel spreadsheets on our phones, but it's great for quick reference. And the other thing is it has a built-in scan to PDF app. So now you can just take a quick snapshot on your phone. You can choose what folder to save that PDF directly to. It's a lot better than if you're scanning something in and then trying to email it to yourself to save it into a folder or email it to someone else. You can just save it right to the folder, tell them to access it. So we're going to have a great, more cohesive platform for everyone to collaborate on, work on, very fast sync times, and keeps a small footprint on your PC. You'll have emails from me coming forward, giving you more information about when this is going to occur. But we want to kind of give you a hint at what's coming. Thank everyone for their time today. We'll talk to you soon.